As we've seen lately, the interest rates are just continuing to rise and rise with no clear indication of when they will reach their peak. And I've noticed that some people are being put off investing due to these rise in interest rates. Whereas most experienced investors will understand that property is a long-term investment and any fluctuations in the market and rise in interest rates are all just part of the game. So for anyone investing in buy-to-let property using a mortgage, it is getting a little bit more tricky to meet those monthly cash flow targets. But let's not forget about the long-term benefits of that asset appreciating over time. So statistically, you could buy a house today for say 100,000 and that same property could be worth at least double that in about 10 to 15 years. So essentially, just by letting time take control of the value of that asset, you're letting that property pay for itself and more just by making a small upfront payment at the start. And whenever you have multiple properties all working the same way, that's when the compounding benefits really start to pay off. Now, I'll talk a little bit more about this in another video about the compounding benefits within property, but for now what I would do is highly recommend checking out this book. So it's called The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy. Now this isn't specific to property, but more so about making small little changes day to day, which will then compound into having a huge impact on your life in the long term. Now, this is a great book for both personal and financial development, and whenever I first read it, it was a huge mindset shift for me. So, highly recommend checking it out. Happy to lend this copy out if anyone wants to take a lend of it for a while. Feel free to give me a shout and I'll get it over to you.